How does Phyllotaxis create natural spirals? Imagine walking through a sunflower field and noticing how the seeds seem to spiral out in perfect patterns. Have you ever wondered how these spirals form so naturally and precisely? Well, the secret lies in a process called phyllotaxis. Phyllotaxis is the way plants arrange their leaves, seeds, or other parts around a stem or flower head. This arrangement isn't random. It follows a specific mathematical rule that creates those beautiful spirals we see in nature. At the heart of this process is something called the golden angle, which is about 137.5 degrees. This angle comes from the golden ratio, a special number that appears in many natural patterns. When a new seed or leaf forms, it is placed at this exact angle from the previous one. This precise placement helps the plant use space efficiently and get the most sunlight and air. Think of it like a carefully planned seating arrangement that avoids crowding. Because each new part is added at this fixed angle, the pattern naturally forms spirals. When you look at a sunflower seed head or a pine cone from above, you can see two sets of spirals crossing each other. These spirals often follow Fibonacci numbers, like 5, 8, or 13 in one direction and a different Fibonacci number in the other. This connection to Fibonacci numbers shows how nature uses a special sequence of numbers to organize growth. The process involves two main steps. First, the plant keeps the angle between new and old parts constant, usually the golden angle. Second, this angle stays stable as the plant grows, creating consistent spiral patterns. These patterns are not just pretty, they help the plant pack its seeds or leaves tightly and grow efficiently. Biologists explain this pattern by looking at how new growth points, called primordia, appear between older ones. These primordia follow a recursive pattern, meaning each new one is placed based on the position of the previous ones. This recursive process results in the spirals we see, which follow Fibonacci sequences. Numbers play a big role here. The golden angle and Fibonacci sequences are mathematical tools that help plants optimize space and growth. This shows that numbers are not just abstract ideas but are woven into the very fabric of living things. Understanding how Phyllotaxis creates natural spirals helps us see the beauty of nature's design. It also influences fields like agriculture, architecture, and art, where efficient packing and growth are important. So next time you see a sunflower or a pine cone, remember that behind its beauty is a precise mathematical pattern rooted in the fascinating world of numbers.